Lesson number 2, Formatting Data in Excel 2013. In Excel 2013 has a several features to help you make important data stand out and to make your worksheet easy to read and understand. You will find quite a few formatting commands on the Home tab in the Font group. Question is, what is the mean by formatting? The presentation of data and its appearance on a printed page is called formatting. Formatting changes the appearance of data but does not affect the actual cell value. Formatting command available on Home tab and in the Font group. Now next, font formatting. So what is the mean by font? Font is a set of alphabets and numbers written in a particular style, for example, Times New Roman, Calibri, etc. Here we learn about which options are used for to set font, font size and font color. Font option is used for to change font. Font size option is used to change font size. By using this option we can increase or decrease the size of font. And font color option is used for to change font color or text color. Here given figure, it show different formatting option like top align, middle align, bottom align, orientation, wrap text, merge and center, increase intent, decrease intent, align right, center, align left. Now bold, italic and underline. Bold, it allows you to bold the text of your document. Italic, it allows you to italic the text of your document. Underline, it allows you to underline the text of documents. Now next, background color and border color. Here given the figure of background color and border color option. By using this we can set the cell background color and border. The use of fill color option, we can change background of the cell or group of cell in the table. The use of all borders option, we can change border drawn around each cell in the table. Now next topic is alignment and orientation of data. Alignment means it refers to the position where data is placed within the boundary of cells. This option is used for to set alignment like left, right, center and top align, middle align and bottom align. Now orientation. Orientation refers to the relative physical position or direction of text. By default, orientation is horizontal. To change orientation, first select the cell or cells and then click orientation in the alignment group. In this way we can change the orientation. Now working with long text. When text cannot fit in a cell, it spill out into adjacent cell. You can left the data spill out, but if the next cell can contain data, the spill out portion will not be visible. To avoid this, you can make the text wrap within the same cell. Select the cell and click wrap text in the alignment group. The data is confined to cell but is displayed in the multiple lines. Another way of dealing with long text is to merge adjacent cell into one large cell. This can be done by selecting the cells and clicking merge and center in the alignment group. Now number formatting. Excel has a various option for formatting number. You can specify the number of decimal place, add comma to separate long number into thousands, place a currency sign in front of the number and display the number as a percentage. In this way we can format the cell number. Now cell styles. You can also use the Excel 2013 pre-designed cell style rather than formatting. Cell styles are used to quickly add professional level formatting to a different part of worksheet like titles, headers, etc. Cell style button in the style group on the home tab. In this way we can format our worksheet.